Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling two-factor authentication on your Fortnite and Epic Games account. If you have previously enabled 2FA on your Fortnite account, this is how you can turn it off. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up a web browser and head over to epicgames.com. Log in to your Epic Games account. Note that your Epic Games and Fortnite info are the same thing. When you are logged into your profile, tap on your account name at the top right of the screen and then choose Account. From this account page, select Password and Security from the left sidebar. Now just scroll to the bottom and you'll get to the 2FA settings. Depending on which 2FA you used, you can turn it off here. I set up 2FA with email, so I will click Disable Email Authentication. Click Proceed to continue. Two-factor authentication has now been disabled, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.